So sick. So sick.
Estate planning is a subject that not very many people want to talk about. Planning for the death and the aftermath of the death of a loved one is not something that's a pleasant topic of conversation, but it's something that we as attorneys stress is very important. We stress this as important because these things have to be taken care of while you're still in good health and of sound mind, especially for people with younger children or who have substantial estates that they plan to leave to loved ones. It's important to plan for those to make sure that the state doesn't decide how your money is distributed. Our estate planning process begins with a fairly detailed questionnaire in which we try to figure out what assets you have and how you want them distributed. Once we know what assets you have and how you want them distributed, then we can propose appropriate estate planning devices like wills, trusts, and the way we structure your estate plan depends on your goals. So we spend a considerable amount of time talking with our clients about what their goals are and what best legal methods we can use to accomplish those. Sometimes those are transfers during life. Sometimes those are making sure that deeds are properly recorded and that contingencies are made in those documents outside of wills and trusts to make sure that goals are accomplished effectively. If wills and trusts have not been done and are appropriate estate planning vehicles, then we counsel clients on how to make those documents effective, how to fund trusts by transfers of property, and how to make sure that the person who is the executor of the will or the trustee of the trust knows what their intentions are and has the ability to follow through on their wishes after they're gone. Another very important aspect of estate planning is power of attorneys and also advance directives for medical care. Power of attorneys allow for the continuity of your business and your personal life if you're disabled or pass away. Advance directives for medical care allow you to appoint a healthcare proxy, someone who acts as your medical decision maker if you become disabled. We're all familiar with the Terri Schiavo case in Florida, where the parents were wanting one thing for their daughter and the husband was wanting something else. In those cases, had there been an effective advance directive for healthcare, the person would have had an opportunity to appoint someone to act in their place to make healthcare decisions and has the opportunity to make very detailed plans for exactly what healthcare they want to receive if it comes down to end-of-life decision or terminal illness.